What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. From the title of the video, you know what I'm going to make. So without any further delay, let's get straight to the recipe. I'm going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. So here I added some unbleached all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. And as usual, I will list the ingredients and measurements in the description, so make sure to check that out. So now that I'm done combining the dry ingredients, let's move on to the wet. Here I have some unsweetened oat milk, but you can use whatever plant milk of your choice. To this I added some unrefined coconut oil, vanilla extract, and for a touch of sweetness, I'm going to add some coconut sugar. I'm also going to use the coconut sugar for the filling, but you can always use regular sugar. So now I'm going to combine the wet and the dry and then knead for about 2 to 3 minutes until I get to a soft, smooth dough. If your dough becomes sticky, that's okay. Just continue to knead it. Eventually, it will come together. As I mentioned earlier, if your dough becomes sticky, just continue to knead it. There's no need to add any additional flour. Alright, eventually this will come together. Just trust the process. What you want is a soft dough but not too sticky, as you can tell right here. So what I'm going to do next is to cover this and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. Let's move on to the filling. Here I have some unrefined coconut oil. To this I'm going to add some coconut sugar, and as I mentioned, you can use regular sugar. I'm also going to add cinnamon. When it's time to add the filling, you could layer them individually, but I find it so much easier to mix up everything at once. Once you're done, you should get a paste-like consistency. I'm going to top the cinnamon rolls off with a coconut sauce. So here I have some coconut milk. To this I added agave. You can use sugar. I'm also going to add vanilla extract and cornstarch. I'm going to allow this to cook over a medium heat until it reduces to about half for 3 to 5 minutes. You could make the usual cinnamon roll glaze, but this coconut sauce is a game changer. It's really good. So as I mentioned, I'm going to cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes over a medium heat until the sauce reduces to about half. Once you're done, you should get a consistency like this, so just set this aside to cool. The dough is ready, and as you can tell, it's soft and stretchy. The gluten is well developed. That's why it's very important to allow the dough to rest for a while before you work with it. So let's roll this out and add the filling. So this amount of filling was not enough, so I had to double the recipe. But once you've added all the filling, just use a spatula to spread it and then tightly roll the dough. Once you're done cutting the cinnamon rolls, place them in a greased baking pan. And because there's no yeast, so there's no need to allow these to rise. Go straight ahead and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Cinnamon rolls up and running, so let's add the sauce. I don't think I need to tell you all what to do from here, right? This was amazing. Soft, saucy, and this coconut sauce, so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy this recipe. And until next time, bless upon yourself.